Hey guys, and welcome to a new video here on Phloshop. My name is Joseph. Today I'm here with
Julee.
So what we're doing today is I figured all the time photographers are asked to direct models and stuff like that. So what I want to do is, since we have a veteran model here, she's been through it all. So I figured she would direct me today. So everything she's gonna ask, I'm going to be doing. So if the images turn out amazing, way more than you've been seeing on my channel, then yes, that's because of her. So I just want a different perspective to see how things are going to go. So if you have anything to say, Julie,
Get ready.
all right, so see you guys in the video. Alright, I recorded audio during the shoot, but the waves were just too much, and after bringing the audio in post, I realized how noisy it was and you guys would barely hear all that went on. So I decided to do a voiceover just to explain some of the things that happened. First off, I started shooting the way I normally would, and I'm always focused on filling up my frame with my subject just because I'm always thinking they should stand out the most in all situations. That's another reason why I'm always using an 85mm or 100mm, as that makes me fill up my frame easily with my subject. I took a few shots and showed her some of the images. She began to adjust her position and angle just to suit the angle I was shooting at and basically make herself look more flattering. I stepped back and took a few more frames, came back to confirm again, and then went in to shoot a bit more after she told me what she wanted. I used the Canon EOS M50 for the shoot, and I had the kit lens on, which is a 15-45mm and is equivalent to 24-72 on a 35mm full frame camera, so I could change my focal length without switching lenses. This came in handy when she reviewed the images yet again and asked me to go even wider and show more of the environment in the frame, something I typically wouldn't do. Maybe I should do a video where I shoot only with a wide lens. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. If you think I should do that, do let me know down below. So after finally shooting very wide shots on the M50, she really loved those images and I did too. It felt different and I liked the fact that I did something I normally wouldn't do. For the last set, I zoomed out all the way to 50mm on the lens and took a few frames for her to see. Once she liked what she saw, I went back and started shooting at different angles. What I enjoyed the most out of this shoot was the fact that I didn't have to direct her to pose. She was just switching poses and angles and playing with the sun all by herself, and it was so fun to be on shutter duty that day. We ended by going over what we did and talking about our experiences or expectations for the shoot, so let me know what you also think about what we did. new here and you enjoyed what you saw, please join the family by clicking the subscribe button. If you like the video, do hit the like button to let me know you enjoyed the video. And if you're an existing subscriber, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video.